Oddly enough, a sharp rise in inflation in the United States led to an extraordinary situation in the commodity market. The US dollar gained in value and oil prices followed suit. However, they were supposed to have fallen. Nevertheless, higher oil prices still follow the logic that suggests a recovery from a steep drop on July 6 to 7. Moreover, oil has not yet recouped all of its early losses. This means that oil prices are likely to continue growing, especially as investors' concerns about possible shortages are still driving oil quotes up. According to the trading chart, Brent is recovering from its recent correction. Back then, there was only 1.5% left for the price to hit a new local high. Now, the greatest interest from buyers will arise when the price breaks through the level of $78 per barrel. However, it will take time. Meanwhile, the benchmark is expected to trade in the range from $74.50 to $76.50 per barrel. The recent decline stems from the fact that last Monday, the 13 members of the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and its 10 allies once again failed to decide on production levels from August. As a result, this prompted concern among market participants. However, the situation is already on the path towards normalization. It can be seen from the trading chart that the dynamics of the US West Texas Intermediate crude oil is very similar to that of Brent crude, despite the difference in the current quotes. The level of $77 per barrel acts as resistance. Thus, if the price breaks through this mark, the way to new highs will open. In the meantime, the benchmark is trading at $74.80 per barrel. The dollar-ruble pair's correction is still underway. The quotes are trading near a resistance in the area of 75.20, 75.50. Moreover, the pair has already managed to break through the level of 74. According to the trading chart, the pair's correctional wave may last and raise the quotes to new price levels. This scenario is likely only in the case the price fixes below 74. Likewise, the euro-ruble pair is also going through the phase of correction from the resistance level of 89. Moreover, the price has reached the 87.40 mark. In case the quotes continue to move at the same pace, the euro may well slide to the level of 87. Initially, the Russian ruble moved in exactly the same way as other currencies. After US inflation data was released, the ruble also tumbled. However, it quickly returned to the opening values. This indicates that the currency is obviously oversold. Therefore, the ruble is likely to advance rather than fall. Moreover, analysts predict a local rebound in the US dollar in the foreign exchange market. In this case, the ruble will have every chance to rise. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.